Hi there, Mads. Good to get somebody from the animation workshop. Shout out to that place, best place in the world. It's best animation school. I went there. It's a really nice place, and it's right next to our studio. So, yeah, shout out to that place. Thank you, Mads, for sharing your portfolio. As you said in the introduction, you don't have that much content yet because you're mainly focusing on painting skills. So, as you just said it, I mean, if you want to be a concept artist and not fine art illustrator, then you need some more content. So let's just say that, let's grab this one, for example. Okay. So I see concept art as a discipline between functionality and art. So you need to have a lot of, I tend to always draw a brain. You need to have a lot of brain power when you do concept because you need to know a lot of stuff. Then you need to see a lot of functionality, how things work, how things operate. And you need to have seen a lot of culture so that you know what to pull on, what kind of shape language you would like to draw on. So that's the job of a concept artist. You need to know a lot of stuff. You need to know how it works, and you need to know how it functions. So, and then of course, you need to showcase all this in a nice, coherent way. So you have a finished illustration that is based on the sketches, maybe 3 illustration sketches, with a call out to a prop that can work in some sort of way. I hope this makes sense that when you just deliver a mood shot like that, for me it doesn't say that you want to be a concept artist. It could just as well be fine art. So a concept artist go in and start to solve all these kind of issues. So if we want to say, okay, this is for a movie or a game, doesn't really matter that much. I'm asking you to make a street, but I'm also asking you to call out some of the props. So the difference between a mood shot, which is this, you have live, you have smoke, occlusion, you have maybe things that are a little bit undefined, but it's fine, it's mood. I just want to see how it feels to be there. But then secondly, I want you now to start to call out some of the props. That means that this kind, like this wagon with the horse, I need to see how that works because, oh, that was an ugly horse. Sorry. I need to see, and I apologize for the fan in the background now. I'm sitting in a basement recording this during the COVID lockdown, so if I don't want to die of radon poisoning, then I have to have this on. I'm very sorry about that. So I need to see this. So this is a mood shot. And this is a call out. And the difference is that this is something you can give straight to a 3D modeling guy or a prop builder, like if it's real life or something like that. So something that they can understand what's going on. Because right now, if I have to build this, I would be quite lost. I wouldn't know what to do. Go into FZD School of Design. Look at that Twitter profile. Thing is quite good at posting breakdowns, what the students do. They do this all the time, and I think it's a really good way to balance the things. So this is what I want to see. I don't think I have that much more to say right now. Build your painting skills, of course, but build this skill as well. This is the skill you really want to build as well. As a closing thought, I think I can just show you what we are working on at the moment without revealing too much. Let me just collapse some things if I can. There we go. So right now we're working on something Metrodos inspired kind of world. So for this we wanted to have an exterior shot with this crawling like excavator that has been repurposed as a sort of small society. And they're crawling along this landscape to go to this promised land where they think the salvation is. So yeah, this is the final detailed shot of this little crawler, and it's been used to make this layout here. But along the way, there's a lot of sketches, a lot of thoughts has been put into that. If you see all the notes that I'm putting up, these are the notes for myself, like, oh, I need this and this and this, because if you need to live in this machine, what do you need to? You need fresh water, you need food, you need electricity, you need blah blah blah. So all these things, like, this is the stuff that for me makes thing come alive. Like, I built the interior in Blender, but it comes alive with so many things inside. Oh, here you can also see like notes, like people talking, people with guns because it's a hostile environment, people looking but scared, a crane that can lift up stuff and a silhouette of that, and oil container, and yeah, I mean sniper's nest because it's a hostile environment. More line drawings of a little area behind this excavator where people can sit and eat and discuss important subject. More line work. It's drawings, lots of concept, inspiration, early 3D sketches and stuff like that. A lot of early sketches. So you can see like this whole library of things is just for 2 images. The interior shot and the exterior. So that's what goes into being a concept artist, in my opinion. Put that into this work, make this a mood shot, call out essential parts of this, and tell me a story. I think the story part is the most essential. So, all the best to you. You're still a first year student, you say, so you have 2 more years, but if you spend them really wisely, then I think you're gonna go in a really good direction. I mean, you're right next to us, so please feel free to always come over and say hi at some point. Our door is open. So, thanks a lot, Mads. Okay, see ya. Bye.